teams, and let's see kung ano magiging performance nila this second set.
Alright, set number 2 begins. Thank you for watching. Martin Javier with Nico Reyes here in the broadcast and Fatima Reyes at courtside as well. Mapua begins. Set number 2 right here. Again, a must-win situation for them to stay in contention here in season 99. Ganda ng rally agad natin. Abraham is able to score.
Long target for Abraham.
And that's what she can do. Klein Abraham with 17 points against Letran last time out. And most of her damage was dealt in set number 4. Kohol. Ong with a put down from the middle.
Great connection by Kohol and Ong. Ito talaga yung kailangan nila na ma-establish as early as now.
Kanina, set number 1 natin, si Pabiera.
Yes.
Diba? Nang nakaraming attempts mula kay Kohol. Ngayon, ang sisimula or ang magsisimula sa kanila mula sa gitna, Nicole Ong. Abacon drops it. Nice save. Rica Blanca. And doon si Molina. Here is Abraham. And it's away and gone for Klein Abraham.
Abraham targeting again that long cross court. Medyo sumabit lang sa kamay ni Ong, kaya nahirapan yung blocker, yung defenders nila sa likod.
So Erin Navarro, rookie middle blocker, will start for San Beda. Ganda ng serve. Ay, sa Rica Blanca. It is kept alive. There's Angel! Wow!
Good placement shot by Angel Habacon. Kitang-kita niya na walang tao doon sa zone 1. Lahat sila nakaabang doon sa cross court.
Maganda rin yung pagbenta doon ni Angel. Kasi nakatapat siya sa cross court eh.
Doon siya nakaharap pero yung hawi ng kamay niya papunta sa zone 1.
Nice point by Angel. Over reception, hindi inabot ni De La Cruz. Hindi rin naitawid ni Molina.
Sayang. Sure point na rin sana kahit papano doon pero poor execution lang.
So here is Aliana Ong. Number 1 blocker right now in the league in terms of kill blocks per set. Speed. Abraham has the touch dito sa pangalawang set natin.
Kita mo yung sweet smile ni Abraham after getting that point. Nautakan niya talaga ang defense ng Mapua dito.
At nakikita natin sa kanya, so far simula ng set 2 natin, may variation kagad siya sa mga atake niya.
Yun naman din yung nire-remind ni Coach Ayun.
Roxy De La Cruz.
Roxy De La Cruz exploding for that kill.
Good target by Roxy De La Cruz. Again, hindi ulit naka-cover ang defenders dito.
Rica Blanca with 7 points. You saw earlier, Abacon. Dug up by Verses. Here's Roxy again. Cross court this time. Andun si Abacon. Siya rin yung kukuha. Angel with the drop. Pancake saved by De La Cruz. Angel rises again. Covered by Rica Blanca. Another chance for the Lady Red Spikers. Combination for Angel. Not that time. De La Cruz deflected. Kept alive. Buhay pa. Roxy with the off speed. Inangat ni Abraham. Habakon with a two-handed push. And San Beda wins that rally.
Long rally again for both teams. Ang ganda ng defense nila pareho. Ang ganda ng coverage.
How about this? Again, excellent floor defense mula sa nagkabilang panig natin. Like what Mika said, nagkatalo lang dun sa final sequence. And you saw earlier, Gaira Baroga, one of our analysts here in the NCAA, of course. Daughter ni Coach Edgar. She is in support today.
Yes, of course.
Hindi siya analyst ngayon. Ayan. So 6-3, Lady Red Spikers with a faster start to the second set. Abacon with 9 points already. But she hasn't been serving well, Mika.
Tignan natin kung magkakaroon ng adjustment sa next rotation niya, sa next ikot niya sa service line dito.
Nasa likod siya ngayon. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng conditioning yung ginagawa niya. Kasi bukod sa attempts niya, jump serve pa siya.
I know.
Diba?
Yung pagod mo kada ikot sa likod, tapos didepensa ka pa, papalo ka pa ng backline. Ibang klase.
Iniisip mo palang nakakapagod na.
I know.
Sophie Kagalawan is able to score right here. So Jade De La Cruz ang nagpahirap sa first ball nang mapuwa ng first set natin. On deck again. Serving well. Better pickup though. Perses. Abacon was right there. Kagalawan will try again. De La Cruz with coverage. Perses down the line. And the rookie Nats Perses is able to connect.
Good attack by Nadine Verses. Bukas na bukas talaga yung down the line dito, kaya madali niya nakuha yung puntos na yun.
5-7. Direct manalo. Back at middle blocker in season 99. It's an overpass. And Ong takes care of business.
Dapat rin talaga na ready yung mga middle blockers, especially kapag may mga overpass. Dahil kailangan natin i-take advantage. Kasi malaki yung chance na makuha mo agad yung point sa overpass.
And Ong is actually one of the blockers na medyo sigurado sa mga regalong ganun.
Yes.
Perses. Biong with a pop-up. Eto si Kagalawan. De La Cruz with a nice save. Gohol. Went for the 1-2. Ito chance ball para sa Mapua. Combination. Perses overcooks it. So we head to our first technical timeout. San Beda is ahead. Pagbalik natin, a report from Fatima Reyes.
PBL. Tapos I also hosted a show called Upfront. It's a lifestyle show for athletes. And then went on to do different gigs, non-sports gigs as well on television. Currently on 24 Horas right now. Game Changer. We also feature athletes and different activities there. So, yun. And now, here with GMA Synergy with the NCAA and on Game On. Okay.
Yung pala yung ending na. Okay. May I just say that as a friend and colleague of Martin, the thing I'm most proud about of this guy is when he hosts the red carpet of the GMA Gala. Para sa akin, that's when you are at your best. You become the Ryan Seacrest of the Philippines when you're interviewing the likes of Ding Dong Dantes, diba, Senator Raver Cruz, Julian San Jose, all of the stars. And you're the guy. You came from sports. You are interviewing these stars. Man, props to you. Props
Thank
to
you, brother. Thank you, brother. Okay. You, Anton. Ito.
Siya pinaka-vet sa ating tatlo.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna
Vet
keep
of
it.
vets.
I'm just gonna keep it simple. So I started my sportscasting journey in 2009. Covered pretty much every league, pretty much every sport. Pati ang chess, nakapartner ko pa si Eugene Torre, first grandmaster in Asia. Throughout my journey, I've done things that I never thought I would do, and because of that,
And we're back here in NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament as we face the last elimination round game day. I asked both of our coaches if they could rate their Season 99 run from 1 to 10. At dito nga sa panig ng Lady Red Spikers, ang sagot ni Coach Edgar Baroga ay 6 dahil naging malaking improvement na daw ang nangyari sa kanyang kupunan. Pero ang natitira raw na 4 ay pagtatrabahuhan nila para sa susunod na season. Yet, they should start now and wake up. Para naman sa Lady Cardinals, ang sagot ni Coach Aging Esteban ay 7 dahil above average naman daw para sa kanya ang nangyayari. Pero siguro raw ay mas tataas pa rito kung pagpapatuloy nila ang magandang galawan at intensity nila hanggang dulo. Kayo, Martin at Mika, how would you rate the run of both of our teams today?
Okay. I don't wanna rate. Kasi dapat neutral tayo dito. But,
Yes.
you know, I agree with the ratings of the coaches so far. Kasi Coach Aying, of course, the expectation is to make it to the Final Four again para sa Mapua for that follow-up season as Ong tips it back. Pero itong San Beda, this is a good foundation year for them. Only the first year na ito ni Coach Edgar. Pero ang dami nila magagandang pieces at mukhang nagbabuy-in na yung mga players dun sa sistema niya.
Yes, Martin. Nakausap ko nga rin si Coach Edgar last time na talagang pumupondo na rin talaga sila ng mga players dito. Tsaka alam ko naman na knowing Coach Edgar, kasi naging coach ko rin siya sa isang pro team, matyagaan magturo talaga. Magtsatsagaan ka niya, basta as long as makikinig ka talaga sa kanya. Ayun naman yung gusto niyang mangyari. Tuturuan kita, pero kailangan mo rin naman talagang sumunod.
Mahirap ba magpa-training si Coach Edgar?
Medyo.
Medyo.
Sobrang nagpo-focus talaga siya sa defense.
Okay.
Yes.
And we see the tough love dito sa pag
Yes.
nagta-time out itong si Coach Edgar.
Ganyan talaga siya. Medyo pag sa loob ng court, may konting sigaw yan. Medyo tumataas yung boses. Pero paglabas naman sa court, malambing yan si Coach. Very father figure.
Sa court talaga siyempre angat yung intensity.
Yes.
Ito, abante na po ang Lady Cardinals and it continues right here. Ong spearheading this fight back from Mapua.
Tuloy-tuloy na rin yung pag-activate sa middle blockers. Tigohol. And it's a 7-1 run by Mapua.
Wala ko makakaisa ulit si Ong doon. De La Cruz. Reka Blanca.
Good
save.
save.
Yeah. That was Abraham. Roxy again. Tasked to do the pass. Yung drop. Madaming inangat. Kagalawan. Able to stop the bleeding for San Beda.
Kailangan na ni Kagalawan na makakuha pa ng maraming puntos dito para matulungan si Angel Hapacon. And now Angel Hapacon has 9 points.
Kung ikaw to si Coach Aying, you've been with Final Four teams, champion teams. Anong klaseng kumbaga expectation yung nilalagay mo sa sarili mo? San Beda gets that kill block. Kasi ang expectation sa inyo, mag-Final Four at mag-Finals. Kumbaga, they made it to the Final Four last year. Ang gusto na nilang goal this season, syempre, makapunta sila sa Finals. Ma-up nila yung ginawa nila last season. Ikaw, being part of those teams in the past, ano yung goal na siniset mo para sa sarili mo? Realistic ka ba? O talagang pinapabayaan mo lang kung ano yung nangyayari sa season?
Medyo nasa gitna lang ako. Medyo. Kasi, syempre, ang lagi ko nare-remind, ang lagi kong mindset talaga is one game at a time. Kasi kung iisipin ko agad na dapat finals na, dapat maganda yung lalaruin ko dito. Pero, kailangan ipanalo nyo muna yung games na harapin nyo eh. So, I think, yung pressure nandyan na rin talaga yan. Pero, yung pag-handle mo rin talaga.
Yeah. And this is a pressure-packed game for the Mapua Lady Cardinals as they need to win in maybe 3 to 4 sets para lang po mas maganda yung standing nila after 9 matches. Sophie Kagalawan on deck to serve. 11-all tayo.
On San Beda.
It's been a close second set so far.
Warning on number 1, Angel Hapacon.
Oh, there's a warning. It's on Angel.
Binigyan siya na yellow card dito.
Okay. Kagalawan. Berses. Oh, that's Berses. Too much heat on that spike. Hindi nadig na maayos yun. Ito ni Milka Flores.
Good target by Nadine Berses. Nararamdaman na natin unti-unti yung presence niya dito.
Very capable spiker itong si Verses. Nice setup. Navarro though. Her spike was deflected. De La Cruz. Molina choosing Angel, who catches the line
Angel Habacon.
on that sharp cross-court hit.
Full force for Angel Habacon. Talagang sinubukan niya na i-angle talaga para ma-target yung cross-court line doon.
Para sa akin yun ang mahirap eh. Kasi may puwersa eh. Tapos kailangan tansyado mo.
Actually, for me, ang mahirap yung down the line.
Ay, yung
naman.
down the line.
Yes, kasi pwedeng mag-outside eh.
Yeah.
Pero ang laki rin ng
And
chance na
block
mag-check
point for
ball.
Kulo.
So, kasi sa cross-court, nakaabang yung pwedeng 2 or 3 defenders doon eh. Tapos libero pa most of the time.
Yun nakakakuha. Kapag ka down the line, ang choice mo lang, siyempre, saktuhin mo dito
Yes.
sa may gilid or
Mag-check
padaan mo sa
ball. Yes.
blockers.
And
Ano?
mahirap din tunin yun.
Oh, it's a service ace for Aliana Ong. Mapua now building a lead here in set number 2. And you love to see middle blockers who are also good in serving.
Yes.
Diba? Parang si Mika
Nag-overload
Reyes.
tayo sa ganyan.
Oh.
Error
Overload.
point for
Yes.
San Beda.
Kailangan after ng training, kung may extra time ka pa, extra time sa practice, yun yung pwede mong i-overload.
Wow. So after 3 hours. Wow! Okay, service ace naman mula dito kay Klein Abraham. Ang mukhang nag-overload pareho ng training yung mga players natin dito.
Yes, ang dami na rin aces for both teams.
Abraham, another nice serve. Sigohol to De La Cruz. Abacon. Yeah, she gets the check.
Angel Habacon.
Angel Habacon with that attack. Mahirap na kunin yung ganong bola na kapag tumama rin talaga sa kamay ng mga blockers and hindi mo ina-expect na ganong kataas. Medyo check.
15-14. Counter right here.
Raisa Rica Blanca.
From Raisa Rica Blanca, 2 rookies dueling here in set number 2.
Yes.
2 gifted rookies natin, both in the top 10 in scoring in their first season sa NCAA. Broken play, chance ball. Here comes Mapua. Quick attack for Tere Manalo.
What an attack by Manalo. Tuldok na tuldok. Ang ganda rin ng set ni Gohol.
We go to a quick break. Technical timeout. Mapua with a 1-point lead.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa... Dun sa binanggit
Please be
niya.
careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess nun. Challenge kay Anton yun. With Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice na, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys,
We were doing that online kasi pandemic yun eh.
nag-commentate siya nun, virtual ah.
Yes.
Oh, so, mas mahirap yun. Sobrang proud ko kay Anton. That was during the pandemic, you know, we had limited resources back then. Pero, binanggit mo, Anton, that we tell the stories of these different athletes. One of the stories na lumabas mula sa NCAA, Coach Hammer.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko napunta.
Ganda na!
Sa totoo po, hindi ko alam paano ko napunta rin.
Beautiful segue!
Galing, no?
Okay,
Galing,
sige.
no? But,
Go,
but sinabi nga Anton, telling stories. At ako, ako fun guy ako. I'm just here. So, galing ako sa NCAA. I played and won championships with San Beda. Go San Beda fight. Of course, really proud from where I'm from. But sabi niya Anton, telling stories. Ako gusto ko naman ikwento yung stories from the perspective of being an athlete, and now I'm a strength and conditioning coach. I work with athletes. I see them grind throughout the off-season, and yun, ako.
balik sa ating laban. And this is the matchup between Mapua and San Beda. We are seeing very good rallies here in set number 2. Latest point is from Tere Manalo. Quick execution. Back as a middle blocker this year after spending some time last season as a wing spiker. Pero pinapakita niya sa atin na nandun pa rin yung karga niya. Alright, we continue here. Seesaw battle so far. Nagpapalit tayo ng lamang. Angel Habacon. Good response of the technical timeout.
Submission for Mapua.
Angel
Number
Habacon
2. Raisa Icablanca out.
taking
Number 10,
advantage with that
Gemma
one
Hernandez.
blocker.
Number 8,
Mabilis niya
Tracy
nakuha yung
Gol.
puntos na yun.
Hannah Guzman.
Ito nagpalit na ng playmaker si Coach Aying Esteban. Manarang checking in for Gohol. Lumabas din itong si Rica Blanca. Ang pumalit si Hannah de Guzman. Here's the jump serve. Oh! Manarang unable to get a handle on the ball, so it's a service ace for Habacon.
Let's see kung yung double substitution dito ni Coach Aying ay magiging effective ba for the Lady Cardinals.
Another nice serve. Over reception again. Oh, what a save by Basas. Or Basbas rather. Kakalawan. Tracked down by Manarang. Deco de la Cruz. Not gonna work. Habacon. Tsaka yung nag-set. Oh, Sophie.
Sophie
Able to
Catalan.
score with that long ball.
I love that set by Angel Habacon. Akala ko papaluin niya ng back
Time out,
row.
Mapua University.
Biglang nag-jump set, ano?
Kanya na tayo doon sa ginagawa natin. Di ba? Bakit ikaw sumugod ka na doon? Di depensa. Middle, anong gagawin? Ay, open ka gagawin. Babasa ka, di ba? Ngayon, huwag kayong mag-establish dahil hindi yung bola lalapit sa inyo. Kailangan kayo mag-adjust doon sa bola. Okay, ngayon, nararat na naman tayo dyan sa loob ng court. Kunin nyo lang, dalawang puntos lang yan. Tep, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag kang magmadali. Kinakabahan ka ba? Tagal mo na naglalaro, Tet. Go, go.
Dalawang
Labas na
puntos na agad yung lamang ng San Beda dito. And Coach Aying reminding the girls na sila yung lumapit sa bola. Magbasa sila sa defense kasi kanina pa nga naman na may tumatalsik. Wala man lang attempt. And I think yun yung gusto makita ni Coach Aying sa mga Lady Cardinals.
But they need to handle the first ball. Ito ni Angel. Oh, yeah. Difficult set from Manarang. It's an easy read for San Beda's blockers.
For Mapua number
And
18,
Angel has been serving well. Sabi natin kanina, medyo easy ball. Pinapasok lang niya yung service niya. But this time, kargado na ulit.
Kasi nung simula, nagsastruggle siya doon sa jump serve niya. Ngayon, mas kumpiyansa na siya. Binalik na ni Coach Aying si Trixie Gohol at si Raisa Rica Blanca. Oh! Outside.
Pero rinig mo yung karga ng bola doon. Nag-outside lang.
So 17-19. That snaps the 4-0 run itong Lady Red Spikers after we had that second technical timeout. Molina. Mapua on the attack. Quick attack. Not gonna work for Manalo. Chance ball na naman. Perses this time. Puts it down.
Nads versus
Nads versus with that cross-court attack targeting the libero of San Beda.
We got a timeout here. 2 quick points. For Mapua.
Ito naman dito nasarado na rito eh. O, dito, umatras ka na rito para makakuha tayong depensa. Ha? So, pinasan ka. Ha?
Ano, okay ba?
Kapag wala kang palo, receive ang kukunin mo. Ay, doon yung isang matutulong mo. Okay, nasa harapan ka ha. Okay, papasok ko si Gina ha. Para makatato tayo ha. Sige. Go.
Okay, we expect the entry of Gina Espina, who is the backup setter. neto ni Coach Edgar Baroga. So, Kat Molina, dahil ang papalitan dito ni Espina si Abraham. Coach Edgar did this against Letran. Si Molina will be converted to a spiker. Unless si Espina gusto niya mag-spike. Trip lang niya. Ito na. De La Cruz activated and she scores right there.
Good target by Jade De La Cruz. Kasi wala rin naman sumabay agad na blocker from Mapua.
And how about Espina responding and setting up De La Cruz right away?
Outside. Pag balik kayo sa pwesto, pag pito ko, senyas. Go.
Yan. Meeting ng mga officials natin. 2 referees and one of the linesmen. Wow! So,
It was actually outside.
so they reversed the call.
Yung
Outside.
atake ni Jade De La Cruz doon.
Laki nun kasi imbis na 2-point lead for San Beda,
Nabigla lang siya na unang hatol.
tabla tayo.
Pero outside talaga siya sigurado siya. Let's go, Lisa. Inside, outside talaga, outside. Let's go. Sige na, sabi mo kay coach,
Okay, that's referee number 1, Eli De Jesus, finalizing that decision.
Kitang-kita rin ni first referee na outside yung atake dito.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it was really outside. At nag-outside din yung service dito.
So De La Cruz with a service error.
Mabilis na bawi yung puntos.
Awirin. So now it's De La Cruz going to the service line. Ganda pa rin mag-serve. Perses. Molina. Oh, kagalawan. De La Cruz was there for defense. Perses is denied. Rica Blanca had to add the Molina. Upspin! Kat Molina.
Good target by Molina. Walang sumabay na blocker dito. Nag-aabang rin kasi sila ng malakas na atake.
Yeah.
Pero kinotshot lang ni Molina.
A reversal of roles. That was Habakon setting up Molina in that sequence. 21-19. Kohol. Passes again. Depensa si De La Cruz. Oh, Kat Molina with back-to-back points. Molina outsmarting the entire Mapua team in that sequence, Coach Ayeng.
Nasarap na
Pakinggan
spiker.
natin.
Dalawa lang yan. Sige, mag-A-pass tayo. V yung play mo, mag-open ka lang. Pag pamorsyentuhan mo, doon sa likod kay Rica. Rica, ready lang sa atake. Pero kailangan muna natin receive na maayos. Kaya na pa natin habulin. 3 lang yan. Okay, Roxy, tibay lang sa depensa. Tibay lang sa... Receive, tibay lang. Pag hindi, B, pag maganda, say, bigay mo. Pag chance mo lang.
Mapua facing some adversity here in the second set. 3 hinahabol nila. And again, they're having problems with these rallies. 2 sequences. Si Kat Molina yung pumunto sa San Beda.
Napaganda yung pasok niya dito.
Oo. Trixie Gohol. Pero buhay pa. Mapua will execute. Karok Manalo, too strong. She gets the check though.
Yes. Good attack. And yung check ball talaga dito, walang ready sa San Beda para sa defense.
20-22. Sabi ni Coach Ayeng, kaya natin yan. Espina. Backs it for Molina. And this dynamic of Espina and Molina converted to a spiker is working so far for Coach Edgar.
Quality minutes for Molina here. Maganda nga talaga yung pasok. Maganda yung pag-substitution ni Coach Edgar dito.
Now it's Scott at the back, so Espina will take a breather. Yeah, quality minutes from her. On from the middle. Angel will send out the free ball here. Oh, cuts it down.
Nicole Ong.
So, Aliana Ong.
Good
keeping Mapua
target.
alive, yeah.
Good target by Aliana Ong. Kanina niya rin pa na sinusubukan yung quick drop balls dito, and for her second try, nakakuha na agad siya ng puntos.
Down to a 2-point lead. Malawan. Bumalik. But a save by Byong. Abraham with a two-handed push. Oh, that was Flores who saved it. Erika Blanca sent back. Perses. Flores with a dig. Back row hit. Oh! But this is still playable. Molina. Combination. Single block by Ong. Buhay pa ang rally natin. Back set for Erika Blanca. Blockers were there. Ong! With another power push.
Good defense for both teams. Andun yung coverage ng dalawang teams dito. And with that powerful attack by Angel Habacon. But again, yung connection ni Gohol and Aliana Ong.
Cover nyo na, ha? Lalo na pag nagkakagulo. Eh, nasa ka? Narito ka, di ba? Okay. Okay, mag-tres ka, ha? Mag-tres ka. Dito ka lang sa dulo. Gel, dito ka. Dito ka. Ha? Just in case, ha? Pag magte-tres ka, ngayon, kapag walang receive, dulo-dulo lang. Angel, doon ka rin sa gitna. Huwag kayong magalangan, ha? Go lang ang loob. Sige, go.
More specific plays for the San Beda here. Kailangan talaga na lang isang magandang reception dito para ma-execute yung play na gusto ni Coach Edgar.
And that's how he usually is. Very specific
Yes.
with his instructions. Kasi kita niya lahat ng nangyayari from his point of view. Let's see how San Beda will respond though. Kagalawan. Erika Blanca returned. Back to Raisa here. Cross court.
Raisa.
Kill for Raisa Erika Blanca.
Erika Blanca finally getting that point. Even though kanina pa siya napablock ng San Beda dito, hindi pa rin siya tumitigil kumuha ng puntos.
What a cut shot right there for Raisa Erika Blanca. Mapua on a 3-0 run to tie things up in the second set. Habacon. No. Perses. And Nadine Perses gets that down the line point. Set point Mapua. 4 straight from Coach Aying's team. What a response from the Lady Cardinals. Matatapos na kaya? Tignan natin. Oh, Aaron Navarro.
Hindi pa daw, sabi ni Navarro.
An extension here in the second set. Power quick mula dito kay Erin Navarro. She's been rarely activated by Molina here. Kaya walang scouting sa harap ng net mula sa Mapua. Max Tayag into serve. Faulty pass. Here's the pop-up. Abraham! Outside!
Out point goes to Mapua.
They are still looking for a check ball pero sayang, wala. Ang ganda ng atake na Abraham doon.
Pangalawang set point na scenario para sa Mapua. Perses! Oh, the service ace!
It's an ace.
To put an end to set number 2. Just a slight extension in this set. And the rookie, Nadine Perses, with an ice-cold serve to end it 26-24. When we return, we'll talk about what happened in set 2 before proceeding to the third set.